Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to delete PolyBuzz AI account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete PolyBuzz AI account. So in the bottom side of the screen, as you can see, we have the home screen, we have the chat, plus where you can create your character, and in the bottom right corner, we have your profile. Now, in the top right corner here on the screen, we have the gear icon and we have the settings. Where when you're in the settings, we have a language, push notifications, send message with enter, and we have account, which we actually need. Click on account. Now, when you click on account, here we have the deletion, of course. So account deletion agreement. You can, of course, agree, and here you see everything that's been done. I have read the account deletion agreement. Click on delete. Then, as you can see, after deleting your account, you will lose all saved data, coins, and settings. You can undo the deletion by logging back into your account within 30 days. After 30 days, that action cannot be undone. Click delete if you're sure, and the account will successfully be deleted. So now you have 30 days when you deleted it to go in again if you, of course, change your mind. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, well, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.